Do you know you can place content at the center of the parent element using a simple CSS trick? For example, you have the container div with the child element, place me at the center, the h2. Okay, this is what we have. To place the content at the center of the parent div, before, this is how you would do it. You position the child element to be relative top of 50%, left of 50%, transform translate is minus 50%, minus 50%. Let's see what we have. This is what you would do before, but there is easier way of doing it. Let's go back to our code. I'm going to comment this 4 lines of code. All you need to do is to go to the parent element, which is the container div, and display it as grid and place content center. Let's save and see. You see, just with 2 lines of CSS code, achieve the same thing as 4 lines of CSS code.